If Roblox isn't launching on your device, there could be several reasons such as outdated software, connection problems, or corrupted files. And here's a clear step-by-step to help you troubleshoot and resolve the issue. First of all, you have to check the Roblox server status. Sometimes, Roblox servers may be down, leading to login or launch problems. So visit the Roblox status page or check the third-party sites like Down Detector to see if there are any outages. And restart your device. Restarting your device can often resolve many issues. Turn off and then turn on your computer, phone, or tablet to refresh the system and close any background processes that might be affecting the Roblox. Also update the Roblox on your device. Outdated software can cause launching issues, so update the Roblox. Go to the Google Play Store or App Store if you're using mobile device, or you can directly go to the Roblox website, try launching a game, and there you will see the update button in the home screen. Click on it to update it to its latest version. Now clear the Roblox cache. If you're using PC, clearing the cache can help you with the launch problems. Close Roblox immediately, and then press Windows plus R. Enter this command and then click on OK. Delete everything in this folder. This won't delete your Roblox account or games. And after this, restart your device. Reinstall Roblox from the website or Microsoft Store, and if you're using your mobile device, you can install it from Google Play Store or App Store according to your device. You can also check your internet connection. A slow or unstable connection can prevent Roblox from launching, so try switching to a different Wi-Fi network or use a mobile data if you're using mobile phone, and then restart your router and then check for any connection issues. You also have to disable antivirus or firewall. Sometimes antivirus soft firewalls can block Roblox from launching, so temporarily disable your antivirus or firewall and try launching Roblox again. If it works, add Roblox as an exception in your antivirus or firewall settings before re-enabling them again. And also run the Roblox as an administrator. Also check for the third-party software interference. Third-party programs such as screen recorders or performance monitors can interfere with your Roblox. Temporarily disable or close any third-party software running in the background and try launching Roblox back again. Use a Roblox web version. Also try using the Roblox web version. If the desktop app won't launch, try playing directly from the Roblox website. Go to roblox.com in your browser, log in, and attempt to launch any game in the experiences. And you can see the indication that Roblox is now loading. So then click on Open Roblox Game Client or download and install Roblox from over here. You also have to fix the date and time settings. Incorrect date or time settings can cause launching issues. So set your device time zone correctly and ensure that the date and time are accurate. Restart Roblox after making these adjustments and then check the device requirements as well. Ensure that the device meets the minimum system requirement for Roblox, and your PC should be running Windows 7 or later with at least 1 GB of RAM. Moreover, you can also contact the Roblox support and get help. Provide as much detail as possible and report your issue. So by following the simple steps, you should be able to fix the issue of Roblox not launching. So most problems are related to outdated apps, connection issues, or corrupted files, and these steps will help you resolve them. So this was all about it. If you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.